Hey everyone, this is our HPS 621 D4A high-performance rack-mount server class computer with extended lifecycle, IPMI remote monitoring, and remote management capabilities. This is a great solution for high-resolution video-intensive processing and server class applications. So let me show you some of the special features about this rack-mount chassis design. So this is a 4U rack mount chassis. There are two handles on the left and the right for easy rack mount installation. This is the lockable front door, adding security while providing easy access for hardware maintenance. With the front door opened, on the right side there are 3 of the 2.5-inch hard drive storage bays, allowing us to easily replace the hard drive instead of open the top chassis cover. There's a power button. There are LED lights below the power button right here. These are the status indicators for power, disk drive activity, and network activity status. So now let's take a look at the motherboard inside. This is the HPM621DE extended ATX motherboard, which supports 2 of the Intel Xeon SP processors. The board supports 12 DDR4 RDIMM and LRDIMM up to 768 gigabyte. It supports 4 LAN ports, 6 USB 3.2, and 10 SATA 3 interface. There are a total of 7 PCI expansion slots that support 3 double-wide GPU cards. Right now, this is the only graphic card installed on the board, and this horizontal bar here is designed to fasten and hold the graphic card in place to ensure the card's performance. In the back panel I/O area, we have the redundant power supply and the rich USB and LAN ports.